Welcome to Chapter 6, the proteins and amino acids.
Protein by Professor Tammy. Learning objectives. List the factors that determine the daily protein needs of an individual. Explain how to calculate proteins into energy levels. So 5 pounds of fat and 5 pounds of muscles make a big difference. Look at these grapefruits. This is about 5 pounds of fat. It's a lot bigger than these tangerines, which are about 5 pounds of muscles. Let's look at the picture on the right-hand side. So when you compare the 5 pounds of fat next to 5 pounds of muscle, it looks like it's about 4 times its size. So muscle looks a lot smaller. The 5 pounds of muscle looks a lot smaller than the 5 pounds of fat. Proteins. What do you know about proteins? How much proteins do you think superheroes need in their diets? How many calories do you think superheroes need daily to function properly? Which superhero need more protein in their diet? Well, no matter if you are a superhero or a human, the acceptable macronutrient distribution ranges, AMDR, intake ranges from energy-yielding nutrients. And these are the percentage again. Carbohydrate, 45 through 65%. Fat, 20 through 35%. Protein, 10 through 35%.
Protein with our superheroes. You need about 10 through 35% of protein each day. So let's look at protein. Because we've already looked at fats and carbohydrates and how many calories we need. And we also looked at BMI previously. So let's look at the protein. Wonder Woman. How do we know that, we need about 20% protein? Well, we know that based on carbohydrate, fats, and proteins, these percentages need to equal to 100. So if you look at carbohydrate, here's 50%. Fats, 30%. And protein, 20%. 50 plus 30 plus 20 equals 100. So let's start with this calculation. We know she needs about 2,400 calories. So we have to multiply this by 20 for protein equals 480 calories of protein. So 480 calories of protein divided by 4, you get the grams of protein, which is 120 grams. And you're wondering, what is this calculation here? Well, remember when we calculated the calories that she got for carbohydrate is 1,200. For fat is 720. And for protein is 480. And when you add them all up, it equals 2,400, just like this, the calorie needs. Let's look at the Black Panther. Remember, we have to look at the percentage. So these always have to equal 100%. So we already know 55% for carbohydrate, 20% for fat. So When you think about 100 minus 55 minus 20, it equals 25%. So let's do the reversal math. 55 plus 20 plus 25 equals 100. Let's look at the protein. 3,200 times 25% equals 800 calories. 800 calories divided by 4 is 200 grams of protein. Remember, 1 gram of protein equals 4 calories. Just like 1 gram of carbohydrate equals 4 calories. And 1 gram of fat equals 9 calories. And how about alcohol, everyone? 1 gram of alcohol equals 7 calories. All right, let's look at the calories. 1,060 here plus 640 over here plus 800 over here equals 3,200 calories, just like here. Mulan. So we said that she consumes 60% carbohydrate, 20% fat, and 20% protein. So that's 60 plus 20 plus 20 equals 100. So let's look at the protein here. 2,400 times 20% equals 480 calories of protein. Then 480 calories divided by 4 equals 120 grams of protein. And then when you calculate all the calories from carbohydrate, 1,440, from fats, 480, from protein, also 480, that equates to 2,400 calories, just like this. Now, for Aquaman. So we remember that he has 65% carbohydrate because he's a speedster in the water. 20% of fat. And then when you calculate 65 plus 20 equals what? Plus what equals 100? It would be 15. So here it is. So for protein, 1,000 calories that he consumes, 15% is protein equals 1,500 calories of protein. So 1,500 calories of protein divided by 4 equals 370 grams of protein. So when you calculate all the calories, 6,500, 6,500. 2,000 calories, 2,000 calories. 1,500, 1,500 equals 10,000 calories. Now for Harley Quinn. She consumes about 2,200 calories a day. And remember, she consumes 45% calories from carbohydrate, 35% calories from fat, and when you calculate 100 minus 45 minus 35 equals 20. So when you do the reversal, 45 plus 35 plus 20 equals 100. So let's look at the protein needs. 2,200 times 20% equals 440 calories of protein. 440 calories divided by 4 equals 110 grams of protein. So let's calculate the calories. 990 plus 770 plus 440 calories equals 2,200 calories. The numbers are the same still. All right. Now for Thanos. He consumes 2,600 calories. So remember, in carbohydrate, he consumes 45% calories of carbohydrates, and 25% calories of fat. And when you calculate 45 plus 25 equals 70. So 100 minus 70 equals 30. So C, 45 plus 25 plus 30 equals 100%. You have to make sure this equals 100%. So as far as calories for proteins, 2,600 times 30% equals 780 calories of protein. 780 calories of protein divided by 4 equals 195 grams of protein. So when you look at it, 1,070, 650, 650, 780, 780 equals 2,060, just as this. Just remember, when you're calculating these calories, the percentage of these macronutrients, these have to equal 100. See you soon, and remember to read the book.